Stuart, what happened? It was completely my fault. I couldn't grip it.
Nice going, Captain Loser.
This is awful. First family outing. Ruined everything.
These things happen.
But what about George?
I think we should just go home.
The sails are full and there's a mouse on the boat.
Are you